everybody, welcome back. Today we have a 10-minute HIIT workout that's easy to do at home and you don't need any equipment. If you've not already, hit subscribe and make sure you drop a like after the video. We've got 10 exercises. Each exercise is 45 seconds on full power, followed by a 15-second break, breather, rest time. This workout is 10 minutes long and I promise you are going to burn a lot of calories. I'm also going to pop the low impact version, no jumping, at the side of the screen. Let's do this, guys. Let's get straight into it. First exercise, overhead jacks. Hands together, let's go. So you're just bringing those hands forwards. You want to open the legs out like you're doing a normal jack, but the hands are just coming in front. Let's pump through those arms. Let's go, 45 seconds of this. So I'm wearing trainers today just to protect those knees. And a low impact modified version will be on the side of the screen right now. Keep going. We've got this. It's going to be a tough workout today, guys, but think of those results. Think of that brand new body. You have another 10 more seconds. Whew. Let's go. Let's get that heart rate up. You've got another 6 more seconds here. Keep pushing through. 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds off. At this point, I like to do little walks. Do whatever you want to get your breath back. Next thing, we're gonna go from a squat into a jack. It's gonna be on the screen now. 3, 2, 1. Squat, jack, squat, jack, jack. Now when you come into this squat position, don't let your knees roll in. You'll hurt the inside of your knees. So you wanna go knees over the top of your middle toe. Get nice and low into that squat. That squat is going to tone your thighs. It's going to tone your booty. And you're going to have a fabulous bottom if you keep doing those squats. We've got this 15 more seconds left to go. The more you pick up the tempo of this, the higher your heart rate's going to get. The higher that heart rate goes, the more you're going to get into your calorie burning zone. Push through. 3, 2, 1. Right there, 15 seconds off. Whew. Now this is my tiny spare bedroom. It's literally about arm distance apart. But we're still gonna do side shuffles. Go. Touch the floor. Touch the floor. So wherever you are, you're gonna go to the side of your room, touch it, other side of the room, and then touch it. I only managed to do one gallop here, but you do as many as you want. Side to side, keep going. Nice deep breath in. Nice deep breath, exhale away. How many calories can we burn today? How much fat can we shred? Keep going. We've got this 13 more seconds left to go. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, high knees next. Breathe in, let the body have oxygen. 3, we've got this. 2, 1, high knees. Bringing those knees in front of yourself. Now, I know we try to speak the full way through videos, but I think it's impossible today. Keep going. Drawing those knees up. The higher you get the knees, the more you're going to feel it in those abs. Let's do this. 20 more seconds. You've got it. Don't give up on me now. 10 more seconds left to go. Give it your absolute all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next up, you have punch jabs. So we're going to take this really quick. If you want the modified version, take it slower. Punch jabs, we'll go in 2, 1, go. So you're just punching across the chest, getting the heart rate high. And I want you to punch all of your anger out. You'll be happy to know after this one, halfway through, And then we're gonna repeat that whole thing. And we're gonna give it double power because we want those results. You turn this workout on for a reason today. You wanna make a change. You wanna get your dream body. So go fast. Get a little bit into this. We're going in 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're gonna repeat that full thing again. So we've got those overhead jabs coming up in 6 seconds. Go. Remember, if you are literally thinking, Gabby, I cannot give you any more, don't switch it off. Keep moving. Take the modified version. Jumping those legs out to the side. We've got this. Let's do it. Bending those knees. 20 more seconds. Keep going. We've got this 10. I'm burning, trust me, as much as you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next up, my favorite from this whole workout, squatting to that jack. Making sure knees are going over the top of the toe. Tip out those knees in 2, 1. Those breaks are getting shorter and shorter, I swear. Keep going. Get low. The lower you go, the louder that booty. Yeah, 30. Don't hold the breath. If you're holding that breath, you are starving your body of oxygen. It will not allow you to continue. So breathe in, breathe out. 15. Let's do this. 10 more seconds here. Get low. Need to stop this. 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds. Side shuffles coming up next. Remember, I want you tapping the side of your room. 1, go. Tap. I don't want to tap these mirrors too hard. Probably fall off. Keep going. Tap and side shuffle. Making sure you're bending through those knees. Don't give it a minute now. We have 2 more exercises to go after this. So keep pushing through. We've got this. 15 seconds. Let's get that heart rate high. Let's melt some fat today. 6 more seconds here, guys. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more exercises to go. Next, we have those high knees. No, don't be deceived. They are tough. Go. Definitely less of the talking for me. 30 more seconds. Drawing those knees up. And then you have 1 more thing left to go. We've got this. If you're doing this in the morning, do not worry. This workout is definitely gonna wake you up. Give me 10 more seconds. You can do it, everyone. 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. 1 more thing. We have punch changes. Hate me now, love me later. Definitely a key phrase for this workout. Go. All your pent up anger from the week, maybe the Monday, I don't know, from last week. Punch it out. Get rid of it. Say goodbye, anger. I'm on a mission. Forget your body with Gabby. Keep going. We still have this. 15 more seconds of power. 10. We've got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, deep breaths in. Deep breaths. Well done in your home HIIT workout today. Make sure you take some water after this workout. I hope you loved it. I hope you really felt the sweat and the burn. Drop me a comment down below after this and I will see you again next time. Don't forget, if you head back to my YouTube homepage, there's so many workouts on there. Booty workouts, ab workouts, thigh workouts, everything you want is on there, and all equipment free and completely accessible at home. See you again next time. I'm Gabby. Bye.